Hi everyone, my name's Alex and welcome to the latest Avalon Bytes. This time is a little bit different. We're going to do a tongue twister. That is a phrase that we say to practice our pronunciation because it's difficult when we do it very quickly. Behind me on the board we have my favourite, and first let's look at the meaning because it's a very long question. How much wood, the material, could a woodchuck chuck? A woodchuck is a kind of animal. It's sometimes called a groundhog, like the movie Groundhog Day. Chuck. And chuck means throw. So how much wood could this animal throw if a woodchuck could chuck wood? I don't know if these animals can throw pieces of wood. So it's crazy. It doesn't really mean anything, but when we say it quickly, it's a great practice of some very complex sounds in English. So together, how much wood could a woodchuck chuck if a woodchuck could chuck wood? Again, how much wood could a woodchuck chuck if a woodchuck could chuck wood? How much wood could a woodchuck chuck if a woodchuck could chuck wood? How much wood could a woodchuck chuck if a woodchuck could chuck wood? How much wood could a woodchuck chuck if a woodchuck could chuck wood? How much wood could a woodchuck chuck if a woodchuck... Okay. Practice yourself at home. Feel free to leave any comments below. And I hope you enjoyed this tongue twister from Avalon Bytes. Bye.